In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Telegram AI bot using n8n. We're creating a bot that listens to messages on Telegram, sends them to an AI model, and replies automatically. By the end, you'll have a working chatbot you can extend and customize. First, let's create the Telegram bot. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. Start the chat and type #newbot. Follow the prompts to give your bot a name, then choose a unique username that ends with bot. When that's done, BotFather will generate a bot token. Copy that token and keep it safe. We'll use it shortly inside n8n. Next, open your n8n workspace and create a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. We'll start by adding our first node. Add a Telegram trigger node. This is what listens for new messages. Connect your Telegram account by opening credentials, creating a new one, and pasting the bot token you copied. Save it, then set the update type to message. With this enabled, n8n will be notified every time someone messages your bot, and we can pass that text to the AI. Now let's add the AI step. Click the plus button and choose either AI agent or OpenAI chat model, depending on what's available in your setup. Connect your AI credentials. If you're using OpenAI, paste your API key and select a model, such as GPT-4 or GPT-4o. In the prompt or input field, map the text coming from the Telegram trigger so the AI receives exactly what the user sent. You can also add brief guidance in the prompt to shape your bot's tone, friendly, concise, or expert, while keeping it focused on the user's message. Time to send the reply back to Telegram. Add another Telegram node and set the operation to send message. For chat ID, map the chat ID output from the Telegram trigger so the reply goes to the right conversation. For text, select the AI's response from the previous node. This connects the full loop. Message in, AI response out. Activate the workflow using the button at the top right. Switch to Telegram, send a message to your bot, and you should receive an instant AI-generated reply. If nothing shows up, double-check credentials and field mappings, then try again. Here's what just happened. Telegram received a message, n8n captured it with the trigger, the AI processed the text, and n8n sent the response back to Telegram. Simple, powerful, and ready to grow. Want upgrades? Consider adding memory with a database, logging to Google Sheets, a knowledge base with RAG, voice support, basic filtering, or custom commands for specific actions. And that's how you build a Telegram AI bot using n8n. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next tutorial.